Hello there. Well, we had one of the coldest October nights on record for some last night. It'll still be cold in the east. However, for many of us, it will be a much milder start to the day because we've had all this cloud coming in off the Atlantic, southwesterly winds, a much milder wind direction than we've had with those northerlies. And we're seeing that cold air being ushered out of the way by that milder weather coming in off the Atlantic. So a change of type, if you like, as we head through the next 24 hours, and that will be with us through the rest of the week. So wet and windy weather sums up the day ahead. Yes, it'll still be cold, touch frosty across parts of southeast England and East Anglia, but further west already the change has been taking place through the night. The cloud has been piling in, the rain coming down, some fairly heavy rain around, especially across the likes of the moors of the West Country, driven on by a strong southwest wind, a gale up through the Irish Sea. So some particularly heavy rain across Snowdonia, through Cumbria, and especially through Argyll and Bute, where we could have a good inch or more of rain. The rain will ease through the morning across Northern Ireland, but we'll be left with a legacy of low cloud, drizzly rain here. Come back in across Scotland. It's strong winds and heavy rain driving across the Highlands and Grampians, and there'll be some fog over the higher routes here as well for the drive to work. So pretty unpleasant as well across the Trans-Pennine routes. All in all, some very nasty autumnal weather for the drive to work. I wouldn't be surprised to see weather warnings issued as we head towards dawn. So the strong winds will drive that rain and cloudy weather further east, so it'll remain quite cold underneath that cloud across southeastern areas. It's not going to feel particularly special elsewhere either because of the wind and the rain, although it does ease into the afternoon a little. It just remains very drizzly and very misty and murky, particularly over the hills and around the coast. But temperatures are considerably higher than recent days, so at least it'll be milder, even though it won't feel milder for most of us. So mild if you're heading off to the football, the League Cup of course through Tuesday evening. Still some drizzly rain left in Ipswich, hopefully drier for Leicester, perhaps some rain later on at Manchester. And you can see you can catch the coverage on Radio 5 Live if you're staying in and not going out, because there will be more rain on the way later in the night. This is the weather system responsible. Tightly packed isobars again, another spell of windy, if not windier weather to come as we head through Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning. As that clears away, it will at least push the rain out of the way, so the gales, severe gales, abate through the day, but we'll be left with some fairly blustery winds and showers coming into northern and western areas, 15 or 16, though it's still a little milder than average at this time of year. Showery on Thursday, but more rain and wind to end the week. Bye-bye.